check out what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is actually one of 452 produced, so definitely one you're not going to see every day. It's a 1948 Lincoln Continental convertible. Power plant under the hood now is a 460 V8, and that is actually paired up with a C6 automatic transmission. Does have power steering, AC, also has power top and power windows. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. Absolutely beautiful front ends. Black paint, wine colored interior. Now there are a couple imperfections I did notice on the hood. I want to point out one right there, but don't get me wrong, still an absolutely beautiful car. Black paint has a nice shine to it, as you can see. All right, still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, top up, top down. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, there's riding on steel wheels, Lincoln wheel covers, beauty rings, and of course, wide white wall radials. As we take a peek down this passenger side, look at the fender skirts. Back when the car you drove was a work of art. How beautiful is that? Take a look at the interior. It's been reupholstered again in this wine or maple. Seat belts intact. Dash was kept very stock looking. We're going to get around to the driver's side so I can show you a little closer look at that interior. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. So stick around to the very end of the video. Let's take a look at the, I guess, Continental kit, if you will. Spare tire mounted on the rear. Chrome in the rear bumper. Chrome is showing good on this car. Dual exhaust. All right, few notes from the technician that looked at this car in our service department. Power top functions as it should. I'm going to show you how that works going up and down too in this video. Rams and hoses were both replaced. It's an Edelbrock 4-barrel carb sitting on top of that 460 V8. The power windows do work, and that is from the driver's side switches, so you know. It does have a new intake manifold gasket. Brakes are 80% in the front, 90% in the rear. He also mentioned the stereo was in op. It looked like factory stereo in it. Yep. Some minor powertrain seeps. Let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. Again, you can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches up and down both sides, the rear of the car. Just kind of that one on the hood has been the only major one that I've really noticed. If you like Lincolns or you like these late 40s vehicles, it just seems like that's a beautiful model year, no matter what cars you're looking at. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Yes, that's a mirror-like finish in that car. See the reflection. Another thing you can do, we sure appreciate all our subscribers. And if you know somebody that is into these cars or likes to see them or also likes classics, go ahead and share this video. Share our YouTube channel. Push button door release right here. You're going to push that, door pops open, and it is the same way on the inside with this push button right there and that door handle. There's those power window switches I was talking about. All right, seating surfaces. I have not noticed any sort of rips, tears, holes in those, and you'll see the interior pictured from every angle also. Hood release is up here in the dash. We do have a push button start once you turn the key on. Power top switch is here. I'm going to see if that's actually the working one. Sometimes it's bypassed to one down below. It had an aftermarket cruise installed on it once upon a time. Also vintage AC and heat controls are right there. And what a beautiful dash. All right, I think we need to fire this up. It also has kind of a little digital display here for, right with my finger, or if you're in drive, reverse, neutral, because it is a more modern drivetrain. So we're going to make sure we are in park right there. Turn the key down here. Sorry about the focus with that steering wheel. And now we're going to go ahead and push that button. Fire this thing up. Alright, I did notice the amp meter go up, oil pressure. Fuel gauge is on full. And temp gauge is down on the cold side. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up. It's a good sounding car. Let's go ahead and pop this hood too, since we want to take a look at that engine bay. Imagine rolling into your local cruise-in, roll in, your local shows. This baby will turn some heads. And only 450 produced in 1948 of these convertibles. Probably not going to bump into a lot of other ones. Alright, I may be able to get this one-handed. Look at that. Talk about a smooth runner. So Optima battery back there. Battery disconnect when it's in between drives or in between car shows and storage. There's that Edelbrock 4-barrel. AC compressor up top. Power steering down below. That thing is running smooth. And again, 460 V8 paired up to an automatic C6 transmission. It's ready to roll. All right, let me go ahead and get the tripod set up. I'll double check that convertible top switch. Let's get this convertible top up, show you how that works, and check out the condition.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Check out how this works. Something pretty cool about a 1948 with a power top. So got the power top up, latched up front. Also rolled up the side glass here. So we got a nice fit in that side glass. Snapped down below. Black fabric, of course. That's gonna fold it up, fold that down. Some slight staining, but otherwise the top's in nice shape. A little brush and a little fabric cleaner, probably take that right off. Glass rear window. Around here to the passenger side, also nice shape. So no surprises on the top. No rips, tears, holes you needed to keep you out of the sun or shower. I think it's going to serve that purpose just fine. Snaps like nicely down on the passenger side. Also side glass. Fits well over here too. And around to the front. Pretty cool, nice looking car with the top up also. So it's a 1948 Lincoln Continental convertible. It's a rare one, folks. I'll show you the top going back down. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Today we're going for a ride in a beautiful 1948 Lincoln Continental. If you look at the steering wheel, otherwise known as the Lincoln 12, because we have a V12 under the hood for plenty of power, plenty of torque. Beautiful car inside and out, smooth runner. This is an automatic, so it's even easier to drive. On the column like any modern car. Our turn signal indicators both working. The amp gauge is up 3/4 of the way towards charging. That clicking noise is a little bit of the top blowing in the wind, as it's a very windy today in Minnesota. As you can see, it is also winter, but we do wash our vehicles, so we can do these driving videos for you. The fuel gauge is showing a full tank. The oil pressure showing 50 psi. That is up towards the top of the gauge. The temperature gauge is 1/4 of the way up. Actually, very good wind seals on this car. There's only a couple little gaps by the front of the soft top. This is a convertible, of course, and we have the top up today. A couple add-ons like a digital gear indicator down below. Vintage air. Our speedometer is also working. Very nicely done interior. Looks original, but too nice, honestly. To me, that looks restored. Bench seat in great condition. Acceleration is good and smooth in this car. Just let it warm up for a little bit and she'll be happy. Brakes nice and smooth as well. I actually got stopped by a person who just loves beautiful cars as I pulled out of the detail building with this car, and they were in awe, and they asked if it has power steering, and they couldn't believe in 1948 it has power steering. This car even has power windows and push button opening on the inside and the outside of the doors. Find all the pictures of this beautiful Continental at UniqueClassicCars.com.